Hi guys, it's Emily, and I will be making a video of me eating all these things on that waffle. Alright, let's get started. Making the waffle. Alright, hold on. First off, I'm going to start off with some butter. I love butter. The main part is butter. There we go. Put that over there. And next, we need some honey. This is some clover honey, and yes, it will be on my waffle. Gotta make it sticky, yummy, and gooey. Now we will be adding some Fruity Pebbles. There we go. How about some syrup? And some Cheerios. Gotta make it healthy. And some goldfish. There we go. And how about some more syrup? And some sugar. How about a scoop of peanut butter? Get that on top of there. Spread it out. Looking yummy. Close that up. Put some more syrup on. Like this. Whoops. There we go. How about some more honey? Sounding pretty great, huh? Some chips. Some marshmallows. There we go. Put them all on the plate. And last but not least, some whipped cream. And some sprinkles. Got some pink sprinkles. We got some blue sprinkles. We got some yellow sprinkles, and we got some green sprinkles. Now, that you guys are watching, this is it. And I'm pretty sure you want to see me eat it, don't you? So here we go. Let's make some space for you to watch. And got my glass of milk, got my fork. Let's get to eating. Good. Just a fork. Best waffle ever. Some milk. I hope you enjoyed my waffle video.